Oh wow. Wow, you started something the chicken. Well that day, guys, ebo must say like you just had enough. Like like had enough. That was me that day. And there's one thing that he said before we got married. He said, if ngelinye ilanga kwenzeka ucuphuza utshwala uthathe iring yami uyibeke etafuleni, and leyo nto leyo la magama ihlezi adlala kumina. And that day I didn't give a shit. I was like, whatever happens happens. So that day ngayithengela nje nkosi yami utshwala, ngayifikela endlini ngamphuza, ngabe ngipheka ngapha ngishisa ukhari kwaba njeyaya. Then instantly he came back, salwa endlini silwa ngayo, and started getting cooked ngashisa futhi. You know, that day it wasn't my day, and I was just so pissed. I was so pissed. And the following month I literally came back home. Ayikho nje into engizokutshela yona uma ungakashadi. Uma ukuthi ushada nje mfethu ushada, sonke shada uzoyibonela phambili. Ushada nje uzoyibonela phambili. Mhlawumbe owakho umshado ngeke ufane nowami, uyabo? Mhlawumbe wakho umshado bangcono, mhlawumbe owakho uzoba worse kunowami. So shada uyibonele phambili. That's all I'm gonna say. If ufuna ukushada, shada. Because vele umuntu uyayikhethela mase efuna ukushada. Sonke sayikhethela. So uma uzofuna ukushada, ayike mama ampushada.
Hi everybody, Sanbonalo. Welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. So let's talk about this person that we have never talked about on this channel. This is Yolanda Gumbi. I guess she was Yolanda Gumbi Mdletshe because she was married to this gentleman here who is Mpilo Mdletshe. Okay. And by the way, guys, we are not related. Not at all. Okay. Anyway, you guys, Yolanda is the daughter of Mr. Gumbi. Mr. Gumbi, who is from the reality show, The Gumbis. Okay. A lot of people have been asking me to watch that show. And I don't watch things that are on SABC One. But I need to go back and just watch, you guys, because they do have quite juicy course. So Yolanda is the daughter of Mr. Gombe. She got married not so long ago. But the thing that people talked about a lot when she was getting married was the fact that she comes from a rich family, and she's married. She was marrying somebody that isn't as rich. So people were worried, what is she going to be able to live that life? You're going to be rich. I remember when pictures were posted of her having a baby in a public hospital, and people were talking about how her and her husband are staying in this Molanyana flat, and that things were not going to work out. I don't know how true that was. But recently, they basically announced that they had gone their separate ways. And Uyolanda, she allegedly claimed that her husband was not faithful. And when the husband was defending himself, he had posted this pot here that you see in the picture, and another one, ukudla nje okushile, okay, saying that, I mean, how did people expect him to stay in a marriage where somebody was cooking such food for him? Okay, that was his defense for cheating. Okay, I cheated because this is how the food was. Like, really? So Yolanda did a live and was basically just giving an explanation of what happened with that pot. Okay. And she said that she just was having a good day, and I mean, a bad day that day, and she was actually fed up. She was fed up with the things that were happening in her marriage, and she decided to buy herself alcohol. And her husband didn't like her drinking, but she drank that day. She cooked the chicken, it got burnt, and she attempted to cook again, that got burnt too. So it wasn't something that was happening every day, it was just a one time thing. The fact that a man can cheat on you and then they think that showing people the spot is going to justify the fact that they were unfaithful in their marriage. I shame the South African men. I've said before, would say, hey, uNkulunkulu must please come and collect them because kune defect with these men. Khona into engekho right with these men, you guys. But it looks like they have gone their separate ways. And she does say that the marriage didn't work out, and she's back at home with her daddy. Okay, at least she has her daddy to go back to. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please tell me what you think about it. And also, if you think that you would want the Goombas discussion on this channel, I can go and watch that show, and we can talk about it. Anyway, thank you so much. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Nje anginandaba nalo muntu engibuza ngaye angisize ngalutho empilweni yami lakanaveli nje futhi empilweni yami ukuthi khona nje owangiqobhoza wathi sitshitshi bami yikho khona lokho but unye nje hayi emgodini nambofu ngithi isicucu senkukhu esishile sithanda sisho ukuthi phaka sonke usuphake sonke ngicela nesikoko esishile uzuphake lalela uphakela indoda vele ngihloniphe yes phake zonke nje ukuze inkukhu umede kuqala phansi nokathiwa ngiqale phansi ngipheke ngiqala phansi futhi awale bhodi encane libone nenkukhu ezothunga ngiqala phansi ngapheka bese ngikushisa aphathi ngikushisa lapha iphesenti lasesingaphezulu kakhulu ngalapha ngiyahlabi-ke lapha ngapheka uthunga usuku olulodwa lalela.
Oh wow. Wow, you started something chicken. Well, that day, guys, ebo mase usukase like you just had enough. Like had enough. That was me that day. And there's one thing that he said before we got married. He said, if ngelinye ilanga kwenzeka kuqhuphuza utshwala uthathe ring yami uyibeke etafuleni, and leyo nto leyo lamagama ihlezi adlala kumina. And that day I didn't give a shit. I was like, whatever happens. So that day ngayithengela nje Nkosi yami utshwala, ngayifikela endlini ngaphuza, ngabe ngipheka ngapha ngishisa ukhari kwaba njeyaya. An instant he came back kasalwa endlini sila ngayo and started again cook and ngishisa futhi. That day it wasn't my day and I was just so pissed. And ngoba phela the following month I literally came back home. Ayikho nje into engizokutshela yona uma ungakashadi. Uma kuthi ushada nje mfethu ushada, sonke shada uzuyibonela phambili. Ashada nje uzuyibonela phambili. Mhlawumbe owakho umshado ngeke ufane nowami, uyabo? Mhlawumbe owakho umshado bangcono, mhlawumbe owakho uzoba worse kunowami. So shada uyibonele phambili. That's all I'm gonna say. If ufuna ukushada, shada. Because vele umuntu uyayikhethela mase ufuna ukushada. Sonke sayikhethela. So uma uzofuna ukushada, ayike noma ampushada.